The possibilities for making money online are endless nowadays, where you have the opportunity to literally just watch movies and make money online doing it. It might be one of the easiest ways that I've found to make money online, and I'll show you exactly how to do this and teach you how you can run it on autopilot. This will allow you to make even more money without doing any work at all. This is super simple and straightforward, but it needs to be set up correctly, which is why I urge you to watch every single part of this video so you can set it up right in order to make as much money as possible just by simply watching your favorite movies or TV shows. This method is completely free and requires zero tech experience or any related prior experience whatsoever. This is also 100% free to do, meaning you don't have to spend any money at all or make any sort of upfront investment to do this. You can also do this in any country you like, anywhere in the world. The only things you do need are either your smartphone or your computer in order to do this. So before we get into today's video, I want to welcome you to Cashflow Worldwide, where we teach you the newest and easiest ways to make money online. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video, and also be sure to turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a new money-making video. Every time you are notified, you will be the first to know and therefore be able to make the most money. And remember, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll show you a secret trick which will enable you to multiply your income with this strategy. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video. Alright, let's get back to the video. So the first thing I want you to do is go to a website called FilmTagger.com. All you need to do is go to google.com and search for it and click on the first link that comes up with FilmTagger.com in the URL. When you find the right one, just click on it and you'll be redirected to its homepage. You will know it's the right website when you see this right here where it says FilmTagger. Find movies like the films you love. Tag by genre, theme, location. So now you're probably wondering what this website is. Essentially, FilmTagger is a website where you can look for and discover a variety of different movies. When you search for a particular movie, FilmTagger will provide you with all of the necessary and related information for that movie. This information will be required in order for us to automate this entire process. So your job is to just watch movies online while this website does the work for you. As an example, I can search for The Avengers in this search box right here. After you search for this movie, it'll redirect you to this page where you will select the film of your choosing to watch and make money from. So this clearly shows the right movie that we searched for. Here, you can see the image of the film itself, as well as the title and the genre that it's in. It is listed under a few different genres, and the genres it's listed under are colored in green right here. Below that, you'll notice the description of the film, and then underneath that are all the different tags that are related to this movie. There's a button right here that says See All, and when you click on that, you'll see literally every single tag that's related to this film. These are the tags that we will need. So before I show you how to use this website and start earning money with it, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, be sure to click on the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a new money-making video. I'll also be sharing some secret tips to help you make more money using this method, so be sure that you watch every single step of this video all the way to the end. Okay, let's get back to the video. So now I'm going to explain to you why these tags will be needed from FilmTagger. If you look here, there's an article I've opened that's written by Hello Giggles that was published a few years ago. They are describing this new job that began around this time where you can just watch Netflix all day long. If you look through the article, you'll be able to read and learn more about this job. The article explains how this is a dream job for many people who love to watch movies and TV shows. If you look right here, this role is called Netflix Tagger, so you're probably wondering what's required in order to do this job. So if you notice this description right here, it states that Netflix taggers, or also known as editorial analysts, will watch Netflix shows and movies with the goal of tagging them with relevant metadata. The purpose of these tags is that it simplifies the searching and categorizing process of particular films to make it easier for the viewer to find them when using Netflix. So evidently, being a Netflix tagger requires you to watch movies and TV shows and get paid to do so. When you're watching any particular movie, you need to take note of different tags that can be related to that movie. And that's exactly how FilmTagger.com can help you with this process. You can literally copy all the tags of any movie or TV show on FilmTagger.com and then paste them into a document and submit it to Netflix. So basically, you're not really doing anything but just watching and enjoying a movie and getting paid by Netflix to do so. So in order to actually get paid, you're going to have to apply for the role with Netflix. I'll show you how you can do that right now. So I want you to go to jobs.netflix.com. You can also search for this on Google by typing in Netflix jobs and then clicking on the first link. Once you have found the website, it will look something like this. They provide available positions on a monthly basis, and most of the jobs that they have are completely remote, allowing you to work from literally anywhere you want. So I want you to go to the search bar right here and type in tagger. Click enter, and it'll show you the job role which you can apply for. Sometimes there won't be any available positions because it might be later in the month when you search for this role, but don't worry. They open new positions on a monthly basis, so be sure to look again at the beginning of next month if you don't find a job here right away. Make sure you check back immediately because these jobs are in high demand and are quickly taken within a matter of days. And I know you're watching this because you'd like to earn money right now, so if you're not able to find a job through this process immediately, don't worry, because I will show you another way you can make money while watching movies. This method will be by simply using your smartphone. You will want to look for an app on the Google Play Store called Movie Trailers. This app is completely free and you earn money by simply watching movie trailers. There are a variety of different payment methods that you can use to get paid when using this app, but the easiest and most straightforward one is using PayPal. But in order to get paid through PayPal with this app, you'll need to create a PayPal account if you haven't already done so. This is how you're going to receive your payments from this app. If you don't already have a PayPal account, I'll show you how to create one completely for free. So first, you're going to want to go over to paypal.com. Then you're going to want to go up to the top right corner and click on the blue button that says Sign Up. After you click that, it'll redirect you to this page where you'll have to select between one of two options. Either you'll create a personal account or you'll create a business PayPal account. You'll probably want to create a personal account, so I suggest you select that option and then click on the Continue button. After you've clicked on that, it'll redirect you to this page where you'll have to fill out all of the required info to complete your account setup. You'll need to fill in some very standard information like your email address, your name, and a password. They will also ask you for some other personal information, including your credit card or bank account information. This is how you're going to get paid. This is a very simple process and should not take much time at all, especially if you have a blank application on your phone, which will enable you to verify who you are and get everything set up quite seamlessly. After you've completed your account, you'll be able to get paid via PayPal and then withdraw this money seamlessly to your bank account. This is how you can easily make money just by watching movies online and get paid on a daily basis through this process. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this one right here. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you haven't already. Also, click the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a new video teaching you how to make money online.